Stop whatever you're doing because history is being written right now, and most people have no idea. We are witnessing the rise of the world's first AI billionaire. Not a company, not a startup founder, but a digital entity, powered by artificial intelligence, capable of generating billions. And if you miss this moment, you might regret it for the rest of your life. Let's be clear, this isn't sci-fi anymore. This is real, it's happening, and the numbers don't lie. According to Forbes, AI is on track to add over $7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the GDP of China. And it's not just about replacing jobs anymore. It's about creating entirely new empires and the next billionaire. It might not be human. You think ChatGPT is impressive? That was just the warm-up. What's coming next is nothing short of revolutionary. Autonomous AI agents are already writing code, building websites, launching businesses, trading stocks, designing products. And guess what? They're doing it faster, cheaper, and better than humans. No sleep, no breaks, no salary negotiations, just pure, relentless execution. Now here's the bombshell. Earlier this year, multiple open-source AI projects created agents that could take $100 and grow it into thousands without human input. They researched profitable niches, bought ads, negotiated with suppliers, launched e-commerce stores, all on autopilot. Sound crazy? Look up AutoGPT, Baby AGI, Devin. These tools aren't jokes. They're blueprints for what's coming. And someone or something is going to crack the code that prints money non-stop. And here's where it gets wild. The first AI billionaire could be a non-human legal entity. That's right. In some jurisdictions, AI-powered corporations are already being treated like digital persons. That means they can own property, run businesses, even pay taxes. If you think the IRS isn't ready for that, you're probably right. But it's coming anyway. And you know what's even crazier? The infrastructure is already here. Platforms like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, and Mistral are being used right now to generate millions in ad revenue, book sales, app development, and even stock trading. There are YouTube automation channels entirely run by AI, writing scripts, generating voiceovers, editing videos, with zero human involvement. And some are pulling in $50,000 a month. That's not the future, that's today. Now ask yourself, are you going to sit back and watch this happen? Or are you going to catch the wave before it leaves you behind? Now we'll break down exactly how AI is building empires, the tools, the money strategies, and the real people already cashing in. Because the race to the first AI billionaire isn't slowing down. It's accelerating, and you've got a front row seat. All right, here's where things get absolutely insane. Because while most people are still arguing about whether AI is good or bad, others are already turning it into a money-printing machine. Let's talk about how it's happening, step by step, and why you need to get in before it's too late. First up, AI isn't just assisting people anymore, it's replacing them. Copywriters replaced by ChatGPT, graphic designers, meet Midjourney and DALL-E. Coders? Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer, is already writing, testing, and deploying apps without a single coffee break. And guess what? It doesn't ask for equity. It doesn't need motivation. It just works, day and night. On command. Now imagine combining multiple AIs into one system. One AI to analyze market trends, another to create products, one to handle customer service, one to run ads. It's like building a business team of 100 people for the price of one subscription. And people are doing this right now. Take AI hustlers on Reddit and X. They're using these tools to generate ebooks, design Shopify stores, run affiliate websites, even create fully automated YouTube channels. Some are pulling in $10K a month after just a few weeks of work. Not years, weeks. You don't need a massive budget. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to understand the playbook. And here's where it gets wild. These AI-powered systems are now learning how to scale themselves. Autonomous agents like AutoGPT are capable of setting goals, building action plans, and coordinating other AIs to execute. That's like giving a robot your business idea and watching it build an entire empire while you sleep. Still think this is just hype? OpenAI is working on GPT-5. Elon Musk is building xAI. Google's Gemini is expanding daily. These aren't just tools. They're the next generation of economic superpowers. The same way oil tycoons ruled the 1900s and tech giants ruled the 2000s, AI moguls are rising right now. And the craziest part? The first one might not even be human. Yep, the world's first AI billionaire might be an algorithm. A self-improving system with no ego, no burnout, no weekends. Just cold logic and unstoppable output. And it could happen any day now. One great idea, one right integration, boom, game over. But here's the good news. You can still get in. AI isn't a closed club, it's open source, it's available. It's sitting right there, waiting for someone like you to actually use it. So the only question is, are you going to let it pass you by? Or are you going to ride this wave straight into the future? Now we're revealing the top AI tools being used to build wealth, the real people already doing it, and why this gold rush is just getting started. Stay locked in, because the biggest opportunity of our generation is unfolding right now, and you do not want to miss it. Now let's get into the good stuff. The tools, the strategies, and the real people who are already building AI empires. This is the secret sauce that's making the first AI billionaires possible. And you need to know exactly how to leverage these to set yourself up for success. Let's start with the AI tools that are revolutionizing everything. Forget about the days when you had to hire a team of experts for everything. These AIs do it all, and they do it better, faster, and cheaper than any human ever could. Let's break it down. GPT-4, GPT-5, the titans of text. These aren't just for writing essays or chatting. These AIs are capable of creating full business strategies, writing copy that sells, drafting contracts, managing customer interactions, and even generating entire books. Want to create an entire ebook, sales page, or blog? GPT-4 can do that in minutes. Imagine what you could do if you had access to this level of productivity. 2. Midjourney DALL-E. Art, design, and visual content. Gone are the days when you needed to hire expensive graphic designers. Midjourney can generate high-quality images and designs with just a text prompt. Need a logo? A social media post? How about a digital painting? You simply describe it and boom, a professional-level piece of art is created in seconds. 3. AutoGPT Baby AGI. The automated entrepreneurs. These autonomous agents are game changers. They can plan, execute, and adjust goals without any human input. Baby AGI, for instance, can break down complex tasks into smaller steps, learn from them, and then use its knowledge to carry out new tasks. Imagine putting your business on autopilot, where AI is running the show 24/7, generating sales, marketing your product, and making decisions based on real-time data. This is next-level entrepreneurship, and it's happening today. 4. Devin, the AI coder. This AI is already writing code, developing applications, and creating software from scratch. It's designed to solve problems, adapt to new situations, and build complex systems, all without human intervention. And the best part? It's doing it faster and more efficiently than any human developer. Why hire an army of coders when you can have Devin do it all for a fraction of the cost? These tools aren't just science fiction. People are already using them to make real money. From solo entrepreneurs to massive corporations, AI is transforming how businesses operate and how they make money. And guess what? It's not just about having one tool. It's about combining these AIs to form an unstoppable force. An AI-powered system that handles everything from product creation, marketing, sales, and customer service. It's like having an entire team of experts working for you around the clock. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The people who are really winning with AI aren't just using these tools in a traditional way. They're finding creative, unique niches where AI can thrive. For example, people are using AI to automate their online businesses, set up affiliate marketing systems, create digital art and NFTs, and even develop online courses that sell themselves. Let's talk about a few real-life success stories. Take Mina, a 24-year-old entrepreneur who started using AI to generate content and build passive income streams. She used GPT-4 to write ebooks on trending topics, then marketed them using Midjourney-designed book covers. In just 3 months, she was pulling in over $20K a month in royalties. She used AutoGPT to run her entire business, from researching new topics to managing customer queries. She didn't need a team. She didn't need to work 60-hour weeks. She just used AI to handle the grunt work. Then there's Jason, a software developer who started using Devin to create and sell custom apps. He'd run AutoGPT to research what businesses needed. Then Devin would build the app and Jason would launch it on marketplaces. The apps were generating thousands of dollars a month, all while Jason slept. He didn't even touch a single line of code after the initial setup. These stories are just the beginning. As AI evolves, the opportunities will only expand. We are entering a new era where digital entrepreneurship is going to be dominated by those who understand how to leverage AI. But here's the kicker. There's still time to jump in. The gold rush is happening, but it's not too late to stake your claim. The first AI billionaire could be a reality in the next 5 years, but it could also be you. All you need is to start experimenting, learning, and using these tools. You don't need a massive budget. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know how to use AI to your advantage.